So the final thing I want to talk about is our P-Tex. So P-Tex is used for base repair. On some of these boards, on this board, thank goodness we don't have any core shots or anything. We have a little ding right here. There's not a lot we can do about that. Even a shop couldn't really fix this ding. But if you do have like a core shot or something, you can fix that. So you're just gonna take your P-Tex, and if you do have a core shot anywhere, you're gonna get a secret iron, and you can kind of melt it just like the wax. You just want it nice and hot, you melt it, and you just apply it. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and then it's pretty much just plastic that fills in that hole, that fills in that gap. And core shots just affect how you ski. You might get snow in it, it could create further problems. So make sure you take care of your bases. You have a clear one and a black one, just different colors. Black one is obviously going to leave black plastic on here. Clear one's going to look. So you also have little wire brushes as well that come in the tool kit. So you can use that just to run against your edges. Again, tip to toe, whatever it is. Clean up any spots you need to. You have extra files. They always send you extra files. You have a little hand file if you need to get nice and gritty and get rid of some of that rust, whatever it is. Some base cleaner. Base cleaner is awesome. A scraper, all your different kinds of waxes. A couple of different kinds of brushes, sponges. Just use this to clean your skis, and you can kind of use it based on the color and the color of the wax. So like this is going to be a little bit softer. You can use that with your hot wax, whatever. Just color code it. And then this is honestly the best part. Big fat brick of wax. Wax is super important. So this is going to last you a long time. Dimmy and I really load you up with lots of tools. And now that you know how to use them, go ahead, tune your skis. Tune your boards, whatever it is. If you are tuning skis, I will say this one last thing. So you might see that, like, I'll grab these. So you might see that your brake is up like this. How do you get your brake down? You're gonna use your rubber band. Just run it over like this. You're gonna run it over the back of your binding, and it'll just hold your brake down so that you can tune your skis. It's as easy as that. They give you everything you need to get a good tune in. Now you know.